Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an Apple Pecan Streusel Pie. So let's get started. You'll need to make a pie crust first. I'll link to the video on how to make this in the description box. Once your pie crust is made, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then to make the apple filling, wash the apples and then dry them. Then peel them. Then core and chop them into small pieces. And then place them into a large bowl. Add the lemon juice and mix them together. Then add in the flour, sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt, and mix them together until they're combined. Then to make the streusel topping in a medium bowl, add in the rolled oats, flour, and brown sugar, and mix them together until they're combined. Then add in the cold cubed butter and rub it into the mixture using your fingers until it's combined and the pieces become smaller. You don't want to rub it in until it's really fine. Then add in the chopped pecans and cold water and mix them in until they're combined. Pour the apple filling into the prepared pie crust. Then add on the streusel topping. Then place the pie onto another baking sheet. And then bake it in the oven for about 45 to 60 minutes or until the top turns a light golden brown color. Then once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool. And that's how to make an Apple Pecan Streusel Pie. Be sure to check out my channel because I have over 100 amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.